In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to boost sales for a Squarespace website. We'll start by creating high-converting website content. Ask ChatGPT to generate persuasive homepage and product copy by sharing your audience, your value proposition, key features, and the tone you want. Request multiple variations, then combine the strongest headlines, benefits, and proof points into a clear, skimmable flow. Next, use ChatGPT to write SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. Provide your primary keyword, the page's purpose, and a character limit so it returns titles that are punchy and descriptions that are compelling and accurate. For your blog, have ChatGPT outline posts, draft introductions that hook readers, and craft conclusions with a clear next step. Finally, improve your calls to action by prompting ChatGPT for short, action-focused options tailored to your offer and audience. Place them prominently so every page leads visitors forward. Now, let's improve SEO and traffic. Start by asking ChatGPT for keyword ideas specific to your niche and audience, including long-tail phrases and search intent. From there, have it create optimized meta descriptions and page headings that naturally include your main terms without stuffing. Use ChatGPT to produce content aimed at ranking for those terms. Request brief outlines, suggested subheadings, and concise FAQs that address common questions. This approach helps increase organic traffic to your Squarespace website when you publish consistently and keep content up to date. Next, enhance your marketing campaigns. Have ChatGPT write email campaigns and promotional messages by sharing your offer, timing, and desired tone. Ask for subject lines, preview text, and body copy you can paste into your email tool. For social media, generate captions and ad copy tailored to each platform with strong hooks, benefits, and a clear call to action. Build your sales funnel by requesting landing page copy, lead magnet summaries, and short nurture emails that guide prospects toward a purchase. To personalize marketing messages, give ChatGPT details about different customer groups and let it adjust language, benefits, and objections for each segment. Finally, increase customer engagement and sales. Use ChatGPT to generate FAQs and customer support responses that are concise, empathetic, and consistent with your brand voice. Have it create upsell and cross-sell product suggestions that pair complementary items and explain why they work well together. Paste customer reviews or feedback summaries into ChatGPT and ask for key themes and improvement ideas. To save time, build reusable prompts and templates so you can automate repetitive content tasks while leaving room for final editing and brand polish. Review everything for accuracy, make it your own, and then publish confidently on Squarespace.